I think the Supreme Court has really made a serious mistake in doing what it did today. Is Supreme Court going to stop that and allow people to die in Delhi? As Chief Justice Bobde declared that there was no migrant crisis, it's all based on fake news.
Even longer at a time when time is of the essence in these cases?
Firstly, Supreme Court will not give decisions. Looking at its track record, its decision will be in favor of the government. Therefore, Supreme Court might even declare tomorrow, as Chief Justice Bobde declared, that there was no migrant crisis, it's all based on fake news. He might even say tomorrow that there is no oxygen crisis, it's all based on fake news. I frankly, with greatest respect, I have lost all hopes, and I love this institution. I have been a lawyer for 42 years. I belong to the judiciary. My father was a judge. But I must say, these judges have, with greatest respect, conducted themselves in such a manner that they have lost all their right to command any respect from us. And I would definitely say that in a normal situation, intervention by many high courts perhaps would demand a Supreme Court's intervention. But not today. Today, the high courts are doing firefighting job in each of their states. And therefore, they must be allowed to do that. Even if one life can be saved, by Delhi High Court's intervention, it is good. Is Supreme Court going to stop that and allow people to die in Delhi because oxygen is not available? I don't understand. What does the Supreme Court want to do? And why today? Why today? Let me ask Supreme Court, let me ask Chief Justice Bobde frontally, what have you been doing? You were hearing for months on the matter between Tata and Shapurji Palanti, Cyrus Mistry. Was that the case during COVID time that you should have heard and decided in favor of Tata's, where Mr. Salve argued and succeeded? Was that the matter? Or there were far more important matters that you were supposed to decide that you just want to ignore? You don't decide 370, you don't decide CAA, you don't decide the bail application of thousands of citizens who are languishing in jail. You don't decide about the COVID preparedness of the government. But suddenly you hear this corporate giants matter. And now today you say, suo moto, I want to do something. With great respect, no ma'am. I think the Supreme Court has really made a serious mistake in doing what it did today.